Hello there. I am going to make a little demo of pipeline as code policies and how it works. So that's a feature that's been introduced like some time ago. I mean, on the like 2 or 3 days ago. And the idea is being able like to put some action policy that's bound to some GitHub Teams organization. So you get the documentations in here, like showing how it works, and I'm going to make a demo. So for my setup, I have already set up like an organization called ShmooTest. In that organization, I have 3 different people that belong to the organization. There is the user called Ruben and Sam and myself. So in that organization, there is 2 different teams. So one team is called pull requests, and the other team is called others. So the idea is that we want to have the people being in the group, the team, pull request team, like Sam in this case, being able like to launch the CI on a pull request. The others, like Ruben in this case, is not going to be able to send it. So let me go to the terminal. Here's like I have a tab open with pipeline as code log, which we're going to use. And here I have 2 different repos that I've already checked out. One has the user Sam, and the other one has the user Ruben. So Sam, as we say, we already set up a repo CR as well on the cluster, and that repo CR has the policy settings that say like for all the pull requests, the one who's being able to send the pull request is the people who are into the pull request team. So in that case, the user Sam and not the user Ruby. So that's set up. So now I'm going to generate a commit, simple little command, and I'm going to push it. So Pack is going to react on it and it's going to tell you if it was allowed or not. It should be allowed because it's in the team. So let's go to the logs of the controller. So you see, pull request is allowed. Sam is the member of the team pull request, so we allow it. So the pull request has been created and it started to do the testing. So that's fine, and that's nice. Now the user Ruben, which is part of the org, so normally on normal Pack it should be allowed, and now we're going to see if it's we're going to see if it was denied because it's not part of the policy. So let me generate like a new commit, and now it's starting the request, and as you see, user Ruben is not a member of any other team, so it's going to be denied and no pull request has been created. That's nice, and we still have the support of the owners file. So if, for example, I'm going back to that repo and I'm going to edit the owners file, and I already did some pre-setup so it gets quicker, and I'm going to explicitly allow the user to be able to run the CI even if it's not part of any groups, and I'm going to commit it. So let's see, yeah, it should be just a refresh. Yeah, let me go back to the terminal. Now I'm going to resend again a new iteration as the user Ruben, and we see if the honest files is been taken into account. So here we go. Now it's like it's going to start. Here we go, and as you see, it says like policy is set. Center Ruben is not in the allowed policy, but allowed via the honest file. So the pull request has been created. So that's the demo, and you can find out more about policies in the documentations on pipelineascode.com. Thank you for listening, and let me know if you have any suggestions or comments on this.